What's up YouTube, Vengeful Sorrow here once again, and today I've got myself a pyramid of Monster Rehab energy drinks, and I've had Monster Rehab once, and it was pretty good. I think I had the green tea version, but now I know it's very dangerous to do 5 at once, so I'm pretty much going to split this up. This video I'm going to do 2, because I kind of have a full stomach, and at a later date I'm going to do the other 3. So I guess since these 2 are on the top, I will do those. The protein energy and the Rojo Tea plus energy. So those are going to be the 2 that I do first. Going to shotgun them. So we'll move these out the way, and those will be at a later date. Not sure when, but I'm kind of tired. I've got a long day ahead of me tomorrow, and I need some energy because I'm not going to get much sleep. So let's get started with the protein energy. Now these are non-carbonated, so I'm going to try to get some burps out, but I'm not sure how that's going to happen so well. Now these are pretty cold, so I might get a little brain freeze. I might have to take a rest between, but on your mark, get set. Vengeful Sorrow. One down. It's got a nice aftertaste, but it wasn't too cold. So let's do the Rojo Tea plus energy. Smells, I don't know, it's weird, but you kind of can smell the color red. Oh, it smells like, well, it does say it's made with cranberry juice, so that's probably the smell I'm getting. So, on your mark, get set, Vengeful Sorrow. Got my 2 empty Monster Rehab energy drinks. Thank you for watching. More Monster